Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, today's video is transplanting 3 bundle of joys and planting another beautiful coneflower that I'll get to here and show you here in a bit. It's absolutely gorgeous. So first I'm going to transplant these 3 bundle of joy sedums. You can see I've already got the holes dug as I usually do. I'm put in some Biotone starter fertilizer in each hole. And get these in the ground. And then I'll show you that beautiful coneflower. Absolutely gorgeous coneflower. I'm moving these sedums from the spot where I had them, mainly because I don't think they were actually getting enough sun where they were. They grow and bloom, but this is like the 3rd season, and you can see they're not very big, although these don't get very big anyway, but they just didn't seem like they were really thriving where they were. And I think it's because they didn't get as much sun as they would love to be getting. So that's why I'm transplanting them over here, because here in this spot, they're pretty much going to get sun, gosh, at least 8 hours a day, if not more. And they're close to the driveway here, as you can see. So they're going to be getting the heat from the concrete. So I'm going to try it here, see how we do. And then we'll go from there. You know, like I keep saying in my videos, I move stuff a lot anyway, so not that big a deal for me. Gotta raise this a little, you know, plant them high. Plant them high. So, looks like I've got all my soil out here. There we go. I noticed in my last video I kept saying sod. I know that sod is grass, not this soil. I don't know why I kept saying sod. I also don't know why I've got these cushions up here. I've got my soil covered up with the cushions. Yeah, this is Proven Winners bundle of joy. That we're transplanting here. Just a mound of white flowers here with the millennium that I transplanted just the other day. Actually, yesterday I think that was. Oh, my back. One more of these to do, and then I'll show you that beautiful coneflower. Good soil, a lot of good debris too still from the storm. All right, there we have those. Now let's have have a look at that beautiful coneflower. There you go. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, that is a gorgeous coneflower. We'll get it in the ground next, right here where it's sitting. I don't have the hole dug yet for that. Let me get the shovel. We'll get this hole dug. And sorry for all the audio. I'm not doing a very good job on today. Alright, there we go. There's the hole. And amongst all this debris, put in a little tone, starter fertilizer. This is coneflower out of the Sombrero series. This one is called Sangrita. And I think it is absolutely gorgeous. The roots look pretty good. Hole is pretty good. And here we go. Backfill it. Put the soil in there. Not sod soil. Ooh. Got this one plenty high. What happened there? Looks like they put 3 in that pot. So I might have should have separated them out. May have to be adjusting this planting in the next few days. We'll see. But again, part of the Sombrero series, Sangrita. Put the tag right there for now. And there you have it, guys. Transplanting 3 Bundle of Joy Sedums by Proven Winners. Part of their Rockin' Round series. And planting another beautiful coneflower. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great gardening day. Please hit the subscribe button and keep on gardening. Thank you.